everyone, this is Kasia. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, it's next week, and I thought it'd be a good idea to draw this cute little turkey. To do this, you're gonna need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then something to color him with. I used markers on this guy. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw his head. It is almost a circle, but not quite. It's a little bit of an oval. So go ahead and draw your circle. See how it's a little bit flattened on the top and on the bottom here. So almost a circle, but not quite. As always, we're using pencils, so if we goof like I have here, we can erase our mistakes. Okay, so once you have his head, we're gonna draw his body. And again, this is almost like a circle, but not quite. And instead of going this way, it's going this way. So it's a little more narrow up next to his head, and then widens out, and then comes back into the other side. So that's his little body. On here, he's got his feathers, and I did 3 U's here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 above it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 U's. We're gonna do his feet. His feet are, they come out like a hook, and then we're gonna do a little U for his middle toe, and another hook for the other side. And the same thing for the other one. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do his wings. They just come up on the side of his body. 1 and 2. And then we're gonna do his face. We're gonna do his eyes and his beak. So his eyes are circles. So you're gonna do 2 big circles. 1 and 2. Inside these circles, he's got another circle which is black. So inside the big circle, you're going to do a second circle that's smaller. And we're also going to do circles for the light speckles. 1, 2, and then 2 big ones here. And these lines we will erase later, or you can do it right now. For his beak, you will do a U. Then you'll do a flattened upside down U like this. And then you'll do a second bigger U for the bottom. And for his gobble piece, we will come out with a hook like this, or come in and come back to where it came from. And we can come in with an eraser and erase this line because we don't need it. And also these little inside line inside of our circles here. Okay, so the final part we have is to draw his big tail. In order to do that, we're gonna draw a big circle around him. So don't do this part, imagine that there's a piece of circle here, and then go above his head and around and draw a circle. Draw it lightly, we'll erase it later, but it will be our guide to keep our big feathers even size. See? Okay, then I'm gonna go in the middle of his head, and I'm gonna draw the first feather like this. And then I'm gonna do 3 more, and I'm gonna try to keep them about the same size. So 1 here, 1 here, and another one that ends up behind this wing. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So 1 on the top of his head, and I'm trying to keep them about the same width, so they're about the same. Second one next to it, then a third, and finally the last one. Okay, so I also did these lines here for the feathers to separate the colors, and I'm doing just 3 squiggly lines, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my turkey's done, and I'm gonna go ahead and color him now. On this one, I have used a Sharpie to outline them with, and I'm gonna do the same exact thing here. Once I've done the Sharpie, I'm gonna come in with the eraser, and I'm gonna erase all the pencil lines to give it a little cleaner look like this. And on this guy, I've used these markers that I've always used. And on this other one, I'm gonna try these brand new markers that I just got. There are watercolor markers, so I'm really curious to see what kind of effects we're gonna get with them. All right, you go ahead and color yours. You can use the same techniques I'm using, so outline with the black and then come back in with different color markers. But you can also use pencils, you can use color pencils, you can use crayons, you can even use paint. Okay, so there you have it. My turkey is done. I have to say this is definitely not the right kind of paper to use the watercolor or watercolor markers on. It started puffing up, and the markers were kind of cool. They gave them a little bit more of a painterly look, but you judge it yourself and you do what you like more. I hope to see you soon.